Hello and welcome to another video by Theme Park Days, and today's video is about the top 5 coasters for beginners. The first roller coaster is the Egg Express, located at Pleasure Hills. The Egg Express was originally known as the Rattlesnake at Pleasure Hills, and Rattlesnake closed down, and about a year or two later they rethemed it and called it the Egg Express. The second roller coaster is the Flying Fish, located at Thorpe Park Resort. The Flying Fish has actually been moved around 3 times in Thorpe Park. It was once where Stealth used to be, and also used to be an indoor roller coaster, which was originally called Space Station Zero. And the third coaster is Troublesome Trucks, runaway coaster located at Drayton Manor. Troublesome Truck runaway coaster has been located in the park since 2008. And the fourth roller coaster is Treetop roller coaster, located at Oakwood theme park in Wales. And this roller coaster has been going since 1989, and it's in a figure 8 layout. And finally is the Twistasaurus at flamingoland. On the Twistasaurus, Jack Reynolds actually holds the world record for being the oldest person to ride a roller coaster at 105 years old. That's it for this video. We hope you liked the video. Subscribe, like and share. And let us know in the comments what rides you've been on.